4 terminals dedicated for a wired keypad: terminals 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is called the keypad bus. You may also wire other devices here. Terminal 7 supplies positive 12 volts of direct current to power DMP keypads and other devices. The ground for this terminal can be found over here on terminal 10. Terminal 8 receives data from keypads. Terminal 9 sends data to keypads. Apply the yellow wire to terminal 8 and apply the green wire to terminal 9. If you are wanting to connect a keypad to an XR series bus just to program, use the 4-pin programming header to connect a keypad using DMP model 330 programming cable. This allows you to connect to the panel without disrupting any cable leads to the keypad bus. If you are using the programming header, make sure the keypad is set to address 1. That's how to install a keypad to an XR series panel.